And we're not crazy to be talking about ski season because it really is right around the corner.
Yeah, it is August, even though today's one of the hottest days of the year. We can talk about skiing here in Colorado. Tonight, what a gorgeous end of our day. This beautiful shot of the sunset from our camera up in Westminster, looking off the northwest with a mix of mid-level and high clouds. It's been a nice warm evening, and it continues to be. Look at that, folks out enjoying a walk on the Pearl Street Mall tonight. Tomorrow morning, it's going to start out pretty warm as well. 68 at 7 a.m., 75 by 9 a.m., up to 84 by 11 a.m. But it will not be as hot tomorrow as it was today when we hit 97 degrees for the high. 61 was the low. The normals are at 89 and 60, and right now it's a nice warm evening. 83 still downtown at our studios, 76 out of the airport. The pressure rising slightly, and the winds out of the southeast at 8. Our weather headlines: warm and dry Wednesday morning, storms likely in the afternoon, and cooler days are on the way. Here's the big picture as to what's going on. Some monsoon moisture coming in from the southwest. Cooler air just off to the north of us, a front across northeast Colorado. For tonight, that front stays over the northeast corner of the state. Isolated storms will be tapering off and gradually ending by about midnight. And by morning, partly cloudy skies, but you'll note this little cool front dropping into northern Colorado by early tomorrow morning. Low style will be pretty mild. 63 in Denver, 58 Lyman, 64 at Fort Collins, 44 up at Leadville. Along the Front Range will drop into the upper 50s to mid 60s at lower elevations, and mostly be in the 50s in the mountains. Starting out partly cloudy tomorrow, but that little cool front to the north of us will start to drop in. Storms begin to pop up by midday in the mountains. Still mostly sunny on the plains, but in the afternoon, some strong storms possible. A few severe up in the northeast corner of the state. Isolated storms back farther to the south and west. The warmest weather will be over the southwestern half of the state, with readings reaching 101 at La Junta, 103 at Lamar. We'll do about 90 here in Denver, only 84 up at Cheyenne, as that slightly cooler air starts to work its way in. So tomorrow, not as hot as today, but still pretty warm, with a high around 90 degrees before those thunderstorms begin to develop along about 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. In the mountains, temperatures will be in the 70s. Tonight, just partly cloudy, mild, and very pleasant night with a low of 63. Tomorrow, we'll start out warm and partly cloudy in the morning. It'll stay dry. Storms likely, though, after about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Winds from the northeast at 10 to 15. That slightly cooler air sags even farther south Thursday and Friday. There's plenty of humidity in it, so showers and thunderstorms likely both days. Highs will be cooler, just in the middle 80s. By Saturday, back to partly cloudy and up to 90 degrees. A slight chance of storms on Sunday with a high of 87. And then back to mostly sunny, hot weather by Monday and Tuesday of next week. Over the next 2 or 3 days, probably get some pretty good soakers with some of these storms. It'll keep our temperatures a little bit cooler.